What's going on, guys? Today's a big day. Big day. You know, as addicts and alcoholics and stuff, we get into trouble. And when we get into trouble, well, they send us to jail. And if we got in trouble for a felony at first, well, when we go to jail, we get out on probation. And as addicts and alcoholics, when we get out on probation, we don't follow the rules. And when you don't follow the rules on probation, well, they send you house arrest. Usually house arrest. And if you don't follow the directions on house arrest, they send you to work release. And if you don't follow the directions on work release, you see where this is going. You get sent to the joint, the old penahoochie, the old penitentiary. And that's exactly where I'm going today. What day do you get out?
The 3rd of August.
Well, damn, that's like a couple weeks away.
I know it. I'm right around the corner, bro.
How's the food in there?
It's nasty as fuck.
Is it still Airmark?
Yeah, it's Airmark.
Oh, boy. Yeah.
Yeah, it's horrible, man. I can't wait to get out of this motherfucker. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for dinner.
Yeah.
Fucking horrible fucking meals for lunch and breakfast.
You like those black eyed?
18 more days, man.
You like those black eyed peas?
No, I don't like nothing. Where's Uncle Bob at?
He's right. Yeah, he's right here.
Old man.
You see it, man. My fucking hurt my back playing softball.
Oh wow, you drove that shit. I keep telling you that.
Yeah, I know. I got 19 more days. I'm gonna lay off everything until I leave now.
Okay. And you sure you got out the 3rd, huh?
I'm positive.
Okay, cool.
Have I been there before? Old Grub Mud's got a DLC number, something I'm not proud about, something I do not glorify, but it is part of my story. And as being part of my story and being able to get past that life, one thing I've learned is the only way you can keep what you have is by giving it away. What that means, what you've worked for, what you've accomplished, you're gonna lose all of it if you don't help other people get out of the gutter, or at least try to guide them in the right direction. And that's exactly what I'm doing today. My cousin, Richie, who has been on this channel before, not once, but twice. He relapsed. We got 2 or 3 more videos in, and that's when he went to prison. Today, he gets out of prison. And you better believe that old Grub Mud's going to pick him up. My pops is going with me. Richie, actually, he looks up to my pops. It's like my dad is like the closest thing he's ever had to a real father. You think we're gonna be late?
No, we're not gonna be late. That's at all.
I was gonna say, I wouldn't want somebody to be late picking me up from prison.
But your registration and my driver's license ain't gonna match if I have to go inside.
Still says the same exact name except for one little minor detail.
Why do you want to drive? What's the big deal on that?
Because I wanted to drive and pick him up, Dad. That means a lot to me. When your cousin's getting out of prison, I mean, shit, I want to do anything and everything I can for him. Richie's the closest thing I had to a brother.
And then I have to have Richie's clothes.
Got the man a pair of clothes, a change of clothes. Yeah, I definitely want to drive, though. There's a reason behind that, boys.
Let's go.
I'm going to pick Richie up out of prison, boys. We're off to see the wizard. We'll catch you guys when we get there. We're going to Putnamville, better known as the farm.
40 minutes later.
We're here, boys. Look at this. Look at this. For real, Putnamville Correctional Facility. We're here, boys. Yeah. And I'm super happy, man. Here we are. We're about to get my cousin out of Putnamville Correctional Facility. And, man, it's been a long time coming. Let me just tell you that. That dude's like my big bro. I love this dude. I love this dude with all my heart. He's like my big bro. I'm gonna get a thumbnail picture. Watch this. All right. As you can see, there's the gun tower. There's the communication tower. There's the gravel, the stone quarry. There's Putnamville Correctional Facility. There's a CO that works the gate. That's barbed wire, razor wire, not barbed wire. Shout out Blood on the Razor Wire. Correctional heroes work here. You see that sign? Look what we got here, guys. Another cop. So you can definitely film. Don't even trip, dude, because I know my rights. See, they already know. That's why he didn't try stopping me. Wait, here we go. Here, what we got here? What? Look at this fat boy. What's up, dude? Hey,
you look good,
you
man.
look good too, man. For real.
Thank you.
You look really good. Dang, son, you been doing push-ups?
Just a couple.
Dang, you looking good. Hey, man.
Wait a minute,
First,
they didn't give me my
who cares? Let's go.
Your registration.
I don't give a damn.
Yeah, you gotta have it.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna need that. What's up, dude?
What's up, baby?
Come over here. How long you been in there for one? Stay right there.
Well, I was sentenced to 15 months, but they gave me 2-time cut me off 7 months, and I only did 8.5 months.
Well, that ain't too bad. That's a little wino bit.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
Hey,
Yeah,
that.
that's a nice shoe, bro.
Yeah, what do you think about my truck, man?
This is yours?
Yeah.
Damn! No,
Swear to God, bro. Whose truck is this?
This is nice as fuck.
Hey, sit in the front, man.
All right.
All right. Yeah, this is.
Pull my leg.
Yeah, this ain't. This is my truck, buddy.
Damn, I thought this was Unc's truck.
Yeah, it's
Man,
not.
this is nice, man. Proud of you, bub.
I'm proud of you too, man. For real.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you. Congratulations on getting out. Putnamville Correctional Facility. Look back at it one time.
Oh man, you don't never want to go in there. Across the street.
Hey,
Man, I'm happy.
well, what was your charge? Just to put it out there so everybody knows.
I had
And it don't matter what it is as long as it ain't two things. And one of them starts with the other, starts with an R, and the other one starts with a cho and ends in a mo. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, no, I had a battery against law enforcement.
Yeah. It's not like and when you only did 6 months, like 7 months or 8 months or whatever, that you want to jack any time and beat up one of
No,
them.
that's why I said I'm not moving. I stayed on my bunk watching TV all day.
Yeah, I bet.
That's all I did. Worked out every time.
I got a quote to do today. You want to run down there with me?
Yeah.
Help me measure it and stuff? All right.
Yeah.
It says Bob Barker. No, that one says... That's a Bob Barker shirt.
Is it?
No, but this one says Mighty Hugs. I don't even know. I've never heard. Is that... Did they take over for Bob Barker?
I guess.
I got a Penn Products Bob Barker if you want one. Yeah, I don't know how it's... Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good too.
Hey everybody, how you doing? As I told you this morning in my short, I just gotten out of prison. Like I said, I've been using since I was 13, and it's a struggle even to this day, you know, staying sober. But I've been sober for 9 months now, and I'm happy. I've never been happier, as a matter of fact. You know, even though I spent 8.5 months of those in prison. It got me clean. It probably saved my life, to tell you the truth. And I'm back healthy, and I'm feeling real good about the way things are going so far out here. It's been less than a week, and I've already been working. And
we're gonna dive right in. You're out of prison for the 11th time. Now, are you talking jail, or you're out of prison for the 11th time?
Yeah, I was in prison for my 11th bit. Nothing I'm proud of, but proud I made it home in one piece.
Looks like he's still talking to his parole officer. But yeah, we're gonna go to lunch over here at this place called Dancers. Have you ever heard of it? I just got Richie her lap dance. He's in there right now. She looks like she's gonna give him an extra song or something. I told her, I said he just got out of prison today, rock his world, and I gave her a fat tip. Anyway, what I did was I just went ahead and bought one for me for the road too. Haha. Yeah, those got a little bit longer length, don't they?
Yeah.
What size are those? Those are hard, and those match.
Those are the ones.
2X. You've been going outdoor rec though, so is that only in the evenings?
Nah, they got it all sorts of days. I was in the old people dorm, so they usually had it in the morning.
Just in the mornings?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Not during the night?
Sometimes, yeah.
Night rec?
No, the latest you're gonna go to rec in there It's 6:30 to 7:30.
1 hour?
Yeah. These are the best shoes I've ever had, dude.
Ever had? Hell yeah.
Ever.
Wow, that's cool. I'm glad you like it, man.
Man, I love them, dude.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
fucking super stoked about them.
Just anytime.
I owe you, man.
Nah, you don't know me. Just anytime you feel like using, just look down at your shoes, man.
You ain't lying.
For real. If that's how you got to do it. I mean, however you got to do
I
it.
love you, man.
Love you too, bro. Love you too. What are your thoughts for today? I mean, you just got out of prison.
Other than I feel blessed that everything that I'm working and that I'm doing something constructive and that I'm working towards getting to know how to do some stuff as far as concrete goes. So I'm happy. I got to stamp a little bit today, and
Heck yeah.
I learned something. So I don't never take that for granted, you know. And
Hell yeah.
I really feel really happy about what I did today.
Like I told you, Richie, it's all about, you're going to get positive momentum, and you just got to keep on riding it. Just like I'm getting positive momentum, especially like right now with the YouTube and everything. I'm riding it. I'm not going to take a step back. I'm not going to take a step back and go back down the ladder. I'm going up the ladder, and that's what you got to keep on thinking like that, Richie. Right now, you're taking steps up the ladder. Yeah. I'm proud of you, dude. I love you, man.
I love you too.
If you guys don't know, Richie, he struggled just like me. He was probably worse off. I don't know. We both were bad. I'm not going to say he was worse off, but we both were gutter. You know what I mean? In the AA book, it says, those of us that have been through the gutter, we've been through the gutter, man. We know what it feels like. Positive steps up. What else you got to say, man? I'm going to turn this off here in just a second.
Nothing. Just everybody have a good, blessed night. And everybody just stay blessed and thank God for the day, because tomorrow's never promised.
Amen to that. Hey, we'll end it on that note. I appreciate you guys watching. Remember, if you're pouring concrete, try to pour early in the morning and don't pour too much. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace!
I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me.